name is Dr. Metaferia. Here I am presenting to you a new YouTube channel at STEM Doctor, which mainly focuses on organic chemistry, problem solving and problem solving strategies that are beneficial to those students who are currently taking organic chemistry or students that are planning to take organic chemistry in the future. So I'm asking you just to subscribe at STEM Doctor, and you'll be receiving the most current, up-to-date information on organic chemistry reviews and problem solving strategies.